Hello, this is Chris Minnick with Webucator. In this video, I'm going to talk about Coffeescript. This video was inspired by a blog post by Adam Bard, which is available at the URL shown here. Arguments against using Coffeescript often center around whether it's a barrier for contributions and an unnecessary abstraction of a language that a developer needs to know anyway. However, writing in Coffeescript does have benefits over writing in JavaScript. At the least, it's more succinct, more readable, and safer than the equivalent JavaScript code. Coffeescript also helps you write correct JavaScript by default. Here are some of the ways that Coffeescript helps you create better applications by avoiding common JavaScript pitfalls. In JavaScript, if you don't add var, JavaScript assumes you meant to make a global variable. Coffeescript creates local variables by default. JavaScript also has two null variables, null and undefined, and you can check whether a value is either null or undefined using this code. However, it's more common for JavaScript programmers to fall back to a simple check for truthiness and to hope there are no valid falsy values that you might have forgotten about. Coffeescript makes it easy to check for existence, or null or undefined, with the question mark operator. Here's how it looks. Coffeescript also allows you to write for loops in a more modern way. Instead of writing a three-part for loop like this, you can write a for-in loop like this to loop through an array in Coffeescript. Another advantage of Coffeescript is that it lets you create argument value defaults. Here's an example of how to specify a default value in JavaScript. And here's how to do it in Coffeescript. Coffeescript also handles browser compatibility for you, all the way down to IE6. This means that you don't have to worry about whether any Coffeescript code you write will work in any given browser. You can just assume that it will. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks again to Adam for the inspiration. Check out his blog at the URL shown here for other articles related to web development.